Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial of Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. In the previous tutorial, you had learned the steps to start PowerPoint and its various components of its window. Today we will learn how to create a new presentation, how to insert text on a slide, inserting new slides, formatting the text, adding bullets, and applying themes. These are the various topics that we will cover today. When we open PowerPoint, we get this screen. In this screen, there is a slide in the center of the window. This white area, this is your slide. In this slide, you will enter the text, you can insert the images, you can draw tables and insert charts as per your requirement. Whatever you need to present in your presentation, you will add that kind of object on your slides. By default, one slide is given and this slide is having two placeholders. What is a placeholder? The placeholder is, this is the rectangular box in the which you can type the text. This is called placeholder. Here this is the first placeholder and here this is the second placeholder. In this slide you are having two placeholders to enter the text. Now how will you add text in this presentation? Just simply as it is written on the slide, click to add title. Click. A cursor will appear in the box. Type the text that you want to display. Usually the first slide that we present in a presentation, that display the title or the name of your presentation, the topic of your presentation. Here we want to create a presentation on the topic of logo. So we will type the name of the topic as Microsoft Windows logo. Use the keyboard to type your text, Microsoft Windows logo. So in the second box, we can click here and we can type the text again. Suppose here we want to type either the chapter number or the subtopic that you want to discuss, or you can also write created by or presented by. Suppose created by your own name. Okay, now the first slide is finished. We can add more slides that we want to use. How we can add more slides? Here by clicking on Home tab. Here you can see this is a Home tab. In this Home tab, you will find a new slide button is given in the slides group. This is the new slide button. This is the slides group. This is your Home tab. This is slides group and this is your new slide button. Click on here. Here you can find there is a down arrow. Small arrow is given. Click on this down arrow. You will see various slide layouts are given. What is slide layout now? These are the arrangement of objects on a slide. How the different placeholders are arranged on a slide. So which type of content or the text that you want to display, that kind of layout we will use for inserting a slide. Suppose we want to create title and content. I click on this, you will get this slide. Here you can see in title and layout, title and content, you will see there are two text boxes, one at the top and one at the bottom, and one text box is for heading and the other text box is for points. So suppose I want to type here steps to start logo. Steps to start logo. What are the various steps? I can write them here. Click here, type. Click on start button, enter, then click on all programs, click on MSW logo and again click on MSW logo option. Okay, now here it was a folder and the last one is a option. See how easy it is to write the text in your screens, in your slides. Here you can also make changes. As you make changes in the MS Word also, you can format the text. You can select the text. As you do formatting in MS Word, same type of formatting you can do in PowerPoint also. See, in the font group, you will find all the options that you find in MS Word. Like to change the font, I'm clicking here and choose any font. Then I can change the size by clicking here and choose the size that you want. Then again I can change the font color by selecting the color. Okay, see here how it is changing. Now you can give it underline. You can put a shadow also here. We can add shadow. Okay, see how beautiful it looks now. Similarly, I can select this text and I can give again formatting. Suppose I'm giving change font size. Suppose, mind one thing, in MS Word you type the text in detail. Here you will type only points on the slide and the detail is presented by the presenter. Suppose I want to make them italic, or if you want to change the color, click on font color button and choose the color here. See how beautifully we can format it. Similarly, I can go back to this first slide. I can select the text. I can make changes again, same changes, increase, here is it is a grow, increase font size button also. You can click here also to increase the font size. You can adjust your placeholders also by putting your arrow on the handles and increasing the size. See, if you place your pointer on the border, a four-headed arrow appears. Click and drag it. You can drag it. Okay, when you place your mouse pointer on this handle, it changes to a two-headed arrow. Now you can resize it. Change the size. I can resize it. I can resize it. Okay. Now I want to move this box. I place my mouse pointer on any border of the box and drag it. If you want to change its size and change its color, select this box, then click on increase font size, or you can click on font size and choose the size. Clear? Now I can change the color also. Suppose I want to have this color, then I can click here and change its color also. Here. Okay. When we open PowerPoint, we get a blank presentation, a new presentation in which we can type the text and insert images and design our presentation. But if you want to create a new presentation after creating something, like I had created 2 slides here and I want to create a new presentation, I can click on File tab. See, this is the File tab. Now in the File tab, you will see there is a new option. Click on this new option. You will get blank presentation option. What steps we had followed? We had clicked on the File tab. Then I choose the new option. Then I click on blank presentation. And after clicking on blank presentation, click on create button. It will create a blank presentation. You can see there is a blank presentation here again with 2 text boxes with the by default slide, title slide, and it is having 2 text boxes. Let's come back to the previous presentation. Now we want to create something else. We want to apply the themes, we want to change the bullets, or we want to make some other changes in the presentation. How we can make them? Suppose I do not have much time to design our presentation or to make some formattings in the text or the background colors, etc. For that purpose, I can have the ready-made themes available with me. Like I had changed this text font change the color and the font text individually on each slide. Suppose I'm having 10 to 15 slides in my presentation. Instead of doing changes in each slide one by one, I can simply apply a theme that will change the formatting of all the slides in a single click. How we can do this? See here. Here in the top, Design tab is there. Click on this. In this design tab, you will see there is a themes group. In this themes group, you will find various themes are available here. And here one more down arrow is given. Click on this more button. Now various themes are available. You can change any theme. You can use any theme. Whenever you move your mouse pointer on any theme, you can see its preview on your slide at the background. See, preview is shown. You can choose any theme that you like. Here, you can put your mouse pointer on each and every theme and it will show you the formatting of each theme. Here, this, whatever topic, whatever theme you like, click on that. Okay, you can choose any theme. Suppose I'm clicking here and I'm choosing this one, or okay, this one is okay. Click here. See, automatically background colors and graphics has been added, fonts color unchanged, then this is also changed. It doesn't matter you had applied the themes. Even then, if you want to make some changes, you can make some changes. Suppose I want to move it here. I want to change its color. I can change the color later on also individually, and I can use the colors of my themes. Second option, again in the design tab, this is the themes. In themes group, there are variants. Some variants are given. Same theme, but some variants are given. This is the first variant. This is the second variant in which some colors has been changing. See, this is the third variant and this is the fourth variant. I can use any variant of the theme also, and I can also click on this more button and three tools are available: colors, fonts, effects. If you want to change the fonts of the theme, you like, okay, this theme is okay, this color combination is okay, but I want to change the font. I can choose any other font group. Then I can also click on this theme and I can change the color combinations also. Here you can see font color is changing. You can choose any other font color combinations. There are many color combinations are available. You can use any that you want. Suppose I want to change it. Okay, click here. Okay, you can change the theme even after applying it. One option is click on design tab. Click on this themes more option. Choose any theme that you like. Click on the theme. That theme will be applied. Suppose I had applied this, bullet style has been changed. And after applying the theme, you can change the variants of the theme. Or you can also change the colors, fonts and effects of the theme. These effects will apply when you give some animation and transition effects and some objects in pictures are inserted. Presently you will use the colors and fonts. Many fonts are available. You can change any font. Okay. Now, if I add a new slide, that slide will have the new automatically the same theme I had already used. Suppose click on Home tab, Slides group, New slide option. Click on this. Choose the layout. Choose the type of the layout that you want. Layout, I told you that it is the arrangement of objects or arrangement of various placeholders on the slide. Suppose I want to have again title and content. So because I want to write about the parts of the logo screen, I click here. I write parts of logo screen. Suppose when I started typing the parts of logo screen, I remember that there are two parts of the logo screen and each part has subparts. So I want two text boxes to type those parts. So what will I do? I had already selected this layout in which one heading title text box is given and one points text box is given, a bulleted, a content text box is given. Now I want, instead of this one content box, I want two content boxes here. What will I do? Simple. I will again go to the slides group, home tab, slides group. I will not click on the new slide. I will click on this layout button here, layout, down arrow. Click on this and choose to content. Here, to content layout. Click here. Now come back to the screen. See, automatically this heading is same, and now my my slide is divided into two contents. Now here I will type main screen, and in this I want to type commander window. Now my commander window has three parts. I can press the tab key here. Now commander window has three parts. What are those three parts? One is input box, second is recall list box, and the third one is command buttons. And what are the parts of the main screen? In the main screen we have, press tab key here, title bar, menu bar, and turtle. Okay, now I can change the font size because this font size is very small, and I can also change the bullet style here. Select the text, click on this bullets option. Home tab, paragraph group, bullet option. See, this is the home tab selected. In this home tab, you are having this paragraph group. In this paragraph group, you will have this bullets. Click on here. You had already used this option in MS Word also. Choose any other bullet style that you want. Any other. Suppose I want to click here. Now come back to the screen. See, bullets has been changed. Similarly, I can select them. I can go to the bullets option and choose the bullet. Okay. If you want to change the size, increase the size, select the text. Click on here. Choose the size that you want. And similarly select this, choose the same size as you had chosen for the other box. See, if you find, you can increase the size here also of the box. I'm changing the size of my box so that it comes like this. It fit on the screen, it fit on the slide. Now I want to change it. Select it, change the size, make it bold, underline, and you can also change the color. Okay, design, formatting as per your convenience, as per your choice. You can change the format your screen, you can format your text according to your choice, as you can do in MS Word. See how beautifully we had created these three slides. Now let's revise the steps of various options that we had used. First is, what are the various steps to create a new presentation? Or you can also say, what is the command to create a new presentation? First, we had clicked on the File tab. Then we had choose the New option, Blank Presentation, and Create button. When we click on File tab, New option, Blank Presentation, Create button, this will create a new blank presentation. By default, the title slide is displayed. Title slide is the name of a layout that is displayed. The first slide that is displayed with two text boxes, that is called title slide. What is placeholder? The dotted rectangular boxes on the slide, they are called placeholder. All the content, all the objects of the presentation on the slides are placed inside these placeholders. Whether you want to insert a picture or whether you want to insert a table or chart or text, all these things are placed inside a placeholder. Placeholder is dotted rectangular boxes on the slide. Next is how to add a new slide. When we had finished working on a one slide, how we can add new slide. Home tab, slides group, new slide option. There is one more thing. There is a shortcut key also to insert a new slide. Shortcut key means the key combination from the keyboard. If you press Ctrl plus M, shortcut key on the keyboard, that will insert a new slide. Next is changing the layout of the slide. What is layout? Slide layout means the general arrangement of objects on the slide. The various objects can be text, images, tables, charts, videos, etc. How we arrange our various objects on a slide, where we place them, that is called the layout. By default, few layouts are given to you, and you can use those layouts, and later on you can make changes to them. Or you can also insert a blank slide and arrange your own objects on the slide as you want. That means slide layout is the arrangement of objects on a slide. Now, how we can change the layout of slide? Suppose I started working on one slide and later on realized that I want to change its layout. I want to change its arrangement of the objects. How we can change? Home tab, slides group, layout option. It will give you a list of different layouts. Choose the layout that you want. Adding bullets. This you had used in MS Word also. Home tab, paragraph group, bullets option. It will give you a list of bullets. You can choose any bullet style. Adding themes. How we can apply themes to our presentation to make them beautiful. The background colors, graphics, bullets, or the colors of the font and the fonts. Design tab. Themes group. Many themes are available. Choose any theme. These are the various commands that you are supposed to learn. Now, 3 tools under the themes group to make changes in the theme. How you can make changes in the theme. Already applied theme, I want to make changes in them by using the colors, fonts, effects. Now learn all these commands that I had told you in today's tutorial and write them in your rough copy also. Thank you.